Thinking about purchasing Scribe? Here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before you buy. Whether you're comparing it to other generative AI tools on the market or looking for a solution to simplify your business operations, you'll want to watch until the end, especially when we discuss a better option. The first thing to consider is that Scribe is designed to automate various tasks in your business, from appointment scheduling to online reviews. However, unlike competitors that specialize in just one area, Scribe offers a wide range of services, but that also means it may not go as deep in each category as specialized tools do. Next, think about ease of use. Scribe's interface is quite user-friendly, but if you're looking for an AI tool that doesn't require a steep learning curve, this could be a win for you. Compared to other platforms, Scribe offers a more straightforward setup. However, there are other options out there with even more seamless onboarding processes. The third thing to note is pricing. Scribe offers a 7-day free trial, but the pricing structure can get tricky once you move beyond that. It's not the cheapest option out there, especially when compared to competitors who provide a similar service for less. But if you're after a comprehensive tool that combines multiple business functions, it might be worth the investment. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customer support. While Scribe does offer customer service, it's not the 24/7, hands-on support that some other platforms offer. If you're someone who values quick responses and live support, you may find that Scribe's service can be slower than its competitors. Now let's talk about the integration options. Scribe integrates with several other platforms, but it might not have all the integrations you need for your specific business. Some competitors provide a wider array of third-party integrations, which could be a deciding factor if you rely heavily on other software tools. The sixth point is customization. While Scribe offers some degree of customization for business workflows, it's not as flexible as other AI solutions. If you need a solution that's tailored to your very specific business processes, you may need to look elsewhere. Next up, the security aspect. Scribe ensures that your data is safe, but you may want to dive deeper into the specifics of their security protocols before committing. Competitors often offer more robust, enterprise-level security features that could be more appealing depending on your needs. The eighth thing you need to know is about scalability. Scribe is a great option for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you plan to scale massively, it could hit some limitations. Many of the competitors have more advanced scalability features built in, especially for larger enterprises. Let's talk about automation. Scribe automates everything from invoicing to appointment booking, but it does require some manual setup for certain tasks. Other generative AI software can offer even more automation out of the box, without as much setup required on your part. The 10th thing to consider is the user reviews. Scribe generally gets positive reviews, but if you dig deeper, you might find that users wish for more advanced features. Some competitors have a more polished reputation for delivering everything they promise without needing constant updates. The 11th thing is the AI's learning curve. While Scribe does a great job with basic AI functions, you might run into limitations as you look to leverage more complex capabilities. Some other platforms, especially the more advanced options, allow for deeper AI learning, making them better for long-term business growth. The final thing you need to know is about its unique selling point. While Scribe does a good job at offering a broad range of functions, it doesn't always have the depth that more specialized software brings to the table. So, if you're after an all-in-one, it's a solid choice. But if you want a more powerful solution that's tailored specifically to your business needs, you might want to consider other alternatives. It's a good option, but if you're looking for a better solution, one that's optimized for simplicity, efficiency, and growth, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.